Hello friends, welcome you in Research Needs. We are going to see how to calculate area under curve in pharmacokinetic study and preparation of two-way ANOVA in two groups, means day wise like 0 days and 12 days. Here you can see we have 5 animals in each groups and we have 4 groups for day 0 and day 12. So now we will see how to calculate area under curve using graphite prism. We have time points 0, 30 minutes, 2 hour and 6 hour and 12 hour. So here we are started a graphite prism in which we will go in XY and we will select in Y first option and click create. Here you can see we have x-axis. There we will place the time points. At that time we have collected the blood. We will copy the time points. Here you have to paste, and this is how we will paste it. You can see, and now you can see it is here the minutes or hours of the time point you can write here. And next is we will place the readings we have collected, that is mg per ml or anything that you depend on your drug or concentration of that you are going to analyze in pharmacokinetic study. So here we can see it is the time point we have already placed, and next we will see at what time point we are going to for add here number of animals reading. So here we have number of animals that is in another direction. So here by this way we have to collect number of animals, and that it is showing here it is in horizontally, and that we have to place in that again on in graphite vision in vertical form. So here we will use the transpose option, paste, and here you can easily paste the all number of animals data as per our requirement. We will give the name of those animals A to A5. Now we will start calculate the area under curve. We will select that option in area under curve, and now we will calculate. We will place the number A and A1 animals baseline and means 0 time points reading here. That we have to copy first, and then we will go. We have to go in area under curve here and OK, and we have to paste that copied time points reading, and we will select this option here because that reading we have to select a total area. It is giving two options here, into all peak involved means that is going above 0 time point on below time point. So we will select only the positive time points. So here we have selected, and we will give the color and area A1 animals, and we will select total area. Again we will repeat the procedure for number of second animals with new seeds. We will generate a new seed, and again we will click OK. Here again we have to paste. We have to copy the A2 animals 0 time baseline reading and select the new seed. OK, and we will paste it here, and again we will select here the first option because we are including positive peaks only. So you can now you have to give the color means name of the readings. It's for animal 2, and again we will select this one. This will give we will give the color as per to. Again you can go a animals, here reading is different, and so we have to carefully means choose the reading while we are putting in data sheet, otherwise we will make a mistake. So we will write here area under curve, and here we will place the all readings that we have calculated using graphite vision. So first reading we have choose for A1 animals, total area we will select, and we will add here that reading, and again we will go for second animal. We have to choose this one, the area, and that we will place here. Likewise we have to calculate for all animals that are in your means study. So area under curve easily you can calculate like this way. Likewise we have to again calculate for all animals. So we will go for that. Now here we can see all the animals data means readings I have arranged in the graphite prism, and next the area under curve that for these animals, those reading I have written here in graphite prism I have calculated here. So I have skipped all the methods that was means laborious. So now we will go further. Now we will see what we have to do next. So we will go for new graph. So we will click here and select first option, and in that we will prepare a group wise and select mean, SEM and number of animals. So this option I have selected for that for ANOVA graph for two groups. So now we have to give name of these groups. So here we have four groups that we will calculate for two groups for 2 day wise. So we have to add those means names of the groups first. Here you can see it is four groups, and we will do for day wise data analyze. So that how we can do that we will see in this graph. Now we have groups ready. Now we have to place the readings that we have here for area under curve that we have calculated. So we will select this reading, and this selection procedure is also typical because large data in one's copy is little typical. So we will press Ctrl and copy these all. I have already shown in some video. You can see this procedure. So here I have paste those that copied right now, and now one by one we have to place it in graphite vision, or directly we will copy all and place it we will place it in graphite vision, and one by one we will place it here by paste transfer system. So here all we will paste. You can see now it is easy to paste here, and this is reading for day 0. So day 0 we have pasted already. Now we will go for day 12 readings, that we will copy from this part from day 12 one by one, or directly we can copy all together. Here we have copied. We will now again directly paste, or we can paste it uh, on the Excel sheet one by one. Both we can do. so it will be easy to you to understand. Here we will write day 0 and day 12 first. So now we are going to paste here day 12 data. So we will paste that copied part here, and one by one we will place it. We will show how to place it one by one. So first we will select first two readings. So first two readings we will copy from here and we will paste it transverse. Now one by one we will do for all the readings. Now you can see we have ready all the readings. Now here we will place the number of animals so that we can easily calculate the two-way ANOVA graph here. So now we have to analyze in two-way ANOVA. We will select two-way ANOVA option. Here we will go for comparison and last option we have to select, and finally we will click OK. You can see here we have calculated the graph, and here we have readings that we have to select, and we will check that our readings are significant or not. That I will show you later. Now we will check the graph. Day 0 and day 12 we have to do comparison, and now it, this is our graph data, and we will go for the comparison of day 0 to day 12. Here somewhere we have placed 15 that we have to correct, and here we can see the graph. It is the graph. Now we will directly from here only select it is showing 0 day and day 12. So we have show the individual group wise reading. So we will select this option, and here we can see the each dose comparison for day 0 to day 12. So now we will click OK. By this is the option by which we can comparison day 0 to day 12. Here I have done mistake. I will correct it later in 15. Now we will go for, we will give the colors to this, and we will place the AOC for our dose level 0 to 24 hours. Now we will give the colors to our groups one by one. Now here we have completed all the colors in graph. Now we will place it, we will give the name here days, and we will adjust it, place it little proximate to the graph. Now we will go, we will see how to the 0 day and day 15 comparison. Means we will see the significant level, all significant level it is showing in the graph. So we will analyze those things, and for that we will compare it again. We will go for our analyze part, that is here. Here we have to compare the readings day 0 to day 12. So that we will select here, and that part we will mark red. We will check that it is giving significant result or not. For 50 mg, we will check that. Likewise, we will go for 100 mg. Here we will do the comparison for between these two devices. For 100 mg, 321S 100 mg, we will check that in here in graph again. So we will go into TwoANOVA analyze reading. Here we have to again choose that specific means reading for day 0 to day 15 for 100 mg 32S1. So that we have to select reading and we have to check that is showing significant or not. And here again we will do color to easily identify those while we are going for check that it is giving result or not, significant level or not, that we will check. And likewise we will go for standard drug also for 50 mg for day 0 to day 12. And again we will go for here it is showing J standard, and again we will give the will select this and give the mark. So I means here it is showing significant, and here it is not significant, but here it is showing significant reading, so that we will see. And again for standard 100 mg we will select the readings, and here it is showing p value 0.01. So this is we will mark, and we will go and place those stars here as per the significant level. Here 1 star, so we will place 1 star, and here you have to place 2 star. We will adjust it as per our requirement, and here we will place 2 graph. This is how we can prepare graph for two groups into a ANOVA, and analyze procedure I have shown you. So how was the video? Please give me the comment, and if there is any query with you with this graph, you can easily comment me. I will definitely give reply for these things. Thank you for watching Research News. Thank you very much.